came out here in the rain, and right in here where the windshield wiper connects to the body, this was full of water on all three of my cars. And I've never heard anyone talk about this drain, even Kent, and he's like the drain master. Okay, I got some light on here now. Right underneath that rubber grommet, there is a drain hole that was totally clogged on all three cars. So I'm going to use the yellow car to demonstrate, since everything's off of this car. Okay, there's the wiper on top. Let's go underneath. See if you can see it. See this? It's a plastic tube. Let me get a better view. Okay, I'm going to pour some water in the drain up top. There it is.